Cats use their claws for many reasons: climbing, playing, stretching, and defending themselves. Keeping their claws healthy and trimmed is very important for their comfort and your safety. Thankfully, here are some simple and easy ways to maintain your cat's claws. Trim your cat's claws every 2 to 4 weeks. Use special cat nail clippers and gently cut just the sharp tip. Be careful not to cut too deep. Avoid the pink area, as it can bleed and hurt your cat. If you have a kitten, start trimming their claws when they are young. This helps them get used to the process, so they won't fear it as they grow older. Always use cat-specific nail clippers or scissors. Human nail clippers can crush the claw instead of cutting cleanly, which can cause pain or splitting. Look at your cat's claws once a week. Check for dirt, cracks, or overgrowth. This helps you spot any problems early before they become serious. Cats need to scratch to keep their claws healthy and sharp. Give them scratching posts made of sisal, cardboard, or wood. This helps file their nails naturally and keeps them from scratching furniture. Put scratching posts where your cat spends the most time, near windows, resting areas, or doorways. This encourages them to use the post instead of your couch. Cat trees not only give your cat exercise, but also help keep their claws in shape. Climbing and scratching the surface of the tower helps wear down their nails naturally. Whenever your cat allows you to trim their claws or uses the scratching post, reward them with treats or praise. Positive reinforcement builds trust and makes claw care easier over time. Choose a quiet place to trim your cat's claws. Speak softly and move slowly. If your cat becomes restless, take a short break instead of forcing it. Declawing is painful and harmful to cats. It removes part of their toes, not just the claws. Instead, use regular trimming and scratching posts to manage claw length. If your cat scratches furniture or people often, you can use soft claw caps. These small plastic covers fit over each nail and prevent damage. They are safe and painless when applied correctly. Indoor cats may not wear down their claws naturally. Encourage playtime with scratching toys, feather wands, or climbing activities to help keep their claws in good shape. Make sure your cat's bedding and favorite spots are clean. This prevents dirt or bacteria from getting into small cracks or around their claws. With a little patience and consistency, your cat will stay happy, comfortable, and well-groomed without scratching up your furniture.